Right, I've been given this kit from a friend whose father started building it, donated from them, and this is where we started from really. That's the box, the old Airfix box there, and where he got to was this, and the other side was on, it had been snapped off. The man was inside, crew was inside, but I took them out because I want to repaint things and generally get it back to starting conditions. Got a few parts which need to be fixed first. The undercarriage need to be repaired before we put it off on the sprue, and so that's where we started from. Right, here's the progress so far. I've painted the inside partly because I dismantled one of the seats off there. I'll put it back in later on. But I don't know if you can see, I've painted the let's get a torch. I've painted the it's not going to show up, it's too bright now. I painted the, and this wing by here, which I've test painted. I'm going to do the black Night Fighter version, the NF Mk.II, and I've also built the second wing together, plus put the wing light in with a bit of back painted silver. So that's the main thing itself. I lost one of the guns off the front, but I'll make a new one off a bit of plastic rod. I've been painting the propellers and the spinners. Pre-painted the propellers and the little yellow on the end. Found a little tub of trainer yellow for that. Didn't know if I had enough, but there we are. The black is the Revel Aqua Colour black, and that is quite smooth when it dries, relatively smooth. And I've put these on cocktail sticks so I can paint them easier. Just put a bit of plasticine in the middle, and you can paint them all like this, you know. It's my technique anyway, just turn it and paint it. I got a nice smooth spinner then of painted black. Of course, use a bit of Tamiya tape to mask off the tips when I'm doing the tip yellow. And that's how I did that. In constructing the undercarriage, excuse me, one of the problems the original owner had was this part here was broken on the kit. This X-bracing thing there. So what I've done, just check if that's going to be movement. Is that moving? Yeah, I keep keeping. There we are. Before it sets properly, I'll make it move. Right. So that's all ready for one side. Sorry, but the other side I had a missing part. So what I've done, I've used this as a template for measuring the angles. I put it on a bit of paper and drew lines across the X like that. I should have kept that off and did a video before I put the thing together, but this one set up undercarriage in one place. So what I've done, I don't know if you see this now, with a bit of plastic rod. I've got two plastic rods, well 1, 2 and 3, 4, well actually 1, 2, 3, because these two are separate and they're joined in the middle. Little tiny, I don't know if it's going to show up, focus, little tiny blob of plastic in the middle as well to copy part of the design, and there's a bit of plastic top across there as well to increase the strength as well. So hopefully I'll have to cut this to size now when it's dried, when I'm giving it 24 hours just to be sure, and I'll hopefully have a part which I can